I love making these harissa chicken and rice bowls for my family. We're going to begin by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, I have some garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, harissa sauce. I'm just going to add the chicken to it. I'm using chicken tenders. Next, we're going to add the seasoning, salt, pepper, ground cumin, ground coriander, and paprika. Mix that all up and set it aside while we make the rice. So I've rinsed 2 cups of rice. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my pot with some garlic, warm that through, add the rice, salt, turmeric, and a little bit of cumin with some chicken broth. Bring it to a boil, cover the pot, reduce the heat to a simmer, and let this cook for about 20 minutes while we make the sauce. The sauce is so delicious. It's just garlic, Greek yogurt, mayo, white vinegar, pepper, and fresh dill. Mix that all up. Now it's time to cook the chicken. I'm just going to cook this in my air fryer for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping the chicken through halfway through. The chicken is cooked when the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Layer this all up in a bowl and serve it to your family. They're going to love this. The exact measurements are on the website, dimitrasdishes.com.